today I'm doing a YouTube video. We're going to the beach today, but we're not there yet. We're at the store near the beach. Ow, stop my shoulder. We're at the shop near the beach doing something. I forgot. I think it's like a parking license. And it's my sister.
And don't flip around. Wait, actually flip me around.
I can't.
Hey, let me in.
No. That guy right there, guys, he got out of his car and he literally sat there and rolled up the windows acting like it was going to do something. I mean, it really wasn't because people could still jump over the side of that guy. Just go boom over that. So that was really stupid. I don't get that. Hold on a second. My finger. Look at my pillow. It's actually my sister's pillow.
Oh, you want to switch spot?
What is that? Oh, my JoJo headphones.
Well, I could put you in her videos.
My JoJo merch.
Watch with me.
My JoJo Siwa merch. Go follow her on Instagram.
I need y'all to all shut the hell up. Mr. Eric Church.
What?
Hey, brother, want to say it? Come in.
Yes?
Hey, brother, want to say it?
Y'all be quiet. Eric something. JoJo Siwa. Go follow her on whatever the heck social media she's on. Get on Skype. She's on Skype. Guys, I don't know. I don't know. I'm not on social media except for YouTube. Also, go subscribe to her on YouTube. Go subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I will hunt you down and make you subscribe. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I won't do that to you guys. Okay. Also, it's shout out time. Shout out to Riley Brooks. My guys. And Caitlin Bunch. You can tell. Shoot! Get out of the way, John! Look, guys, there's John. I zoomed in on accident. Guys, comment down below if you think my hair, like, just awesome hair day, guys. Ah! My sister took my pillow. I mean, her pillow. Comment down below. I might do a hair tutorial. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know, guys. Ooh, also, if you're a fellow Glassy